Hello, everyone. I'm back and I got some new books in the mail today. So, the first one I want to read to you is an Elephant and Piggy book of my new books. So, today I'm going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Take a look at the front cover. Look at poor Elephant. He has a problem. See if you can guess what his problem is. Back cover, naming parts of the book, spine. Right here where it says Pigs Make Me Sneeze, that is the title. The person who writes the words is the author, and our author is Mo Willems. And if we want to find out if Mo Willems did the illustrations too, let's go in here and see if it has another name, and no. So Mo Willems did his own illustrations. So here we go. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. Uh 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 what? Uh 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 a ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! There goes Piggy. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Ha, 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 choo! There he goes again. I cannot stop ha, 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 choo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Question mark. Ha 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 choo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly, said Piggy. Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. I, uh, 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 Phew. Goodbye. Gerald? Oh, let me skip a page. Gerald? That looks like the doctor with a question mark. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Yay! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you, said Piggy. Look at Piggy's problem. Do you like this book? I love Elephant and Piggy books, as you well know. So, till next time, boys and girls, see ya.